Hi, today we'll be learning about operating systems job. The computer's operating system OS manages all the software and hardware on the computer. Most of the time there are different computer programs running at the same time, and they also need to access the computer's central processing unit CPU, memory and storage. What is a central processing unit? A central processing unit, which is also called as CPU in short form, is an important part of every computer. The CPU sends signals to control the other parts of the computer, almost like how a brain controls a body. The CPU is an electronic machine that works on a list of computers' things to do, called instructions. What is a computer memory? A computer memory is any physical device capable of storing information temporarily, like RAM, which is also called random access memory, or permanently, like ROM, which is also called read-only memory. Memory devices utilize integrated circuits and are also used by operating systems, softwares, and hardwares. The more RAM and CPU has access to, the easier its job becomes, which enables a fast computer. If you don't have a sufficient amount of RAM, then your CPU has to work too much harder to transfer data, which severely damages the computer's performance. The random access memory also helps your system support software. This is how a memory device looks like. Alternatively referred to as digital storage media, or storage medium. A storage device is any hardware capable of holding information either temporarily or permanently. The picture shows an example of Dorob, an external secondary storage device. There are two types of storage devices used with computers: a primary storage device such as RAM and a secondary storage device such as a hard drive. Secondary storage device can be removable, internal or external. Examples of computer storage: magnetic storage devices. Today, magnetic storage is one of the most commonly types of storage used with computers. This technology is found mostly on extreme large HDDs or hybrid hardware devices. Optical storage device. Another common type of storage is optical storage, which uses lasers and lights as its method of reading and writing data. Blu-ray disc, CD-ROM disc, CDR and CDRW disc, DVD-R, DVD plus R, DVD rewritable, and DVD plus rewritable disc. Flash memory devices. Flash memory has replaced most magnetic and optical media as it becomes cheaper because it is the more efficient and reliable solution. Paper storage. Early computers had no method of using any of the technologies above for storing information and had to rely on paper. Today, these forms of storage are rarely used or found. In the picture is an example of a woman entering data to a punch card using a punch card machine. Without a storage device, a computer cannot save or remember any settings or information and would be considered a dumb terminal. When saving anything on a computer, it may ask you for a storage location, which is the area where you would like to save information. By default, most information is saved to your computer hard drive. If you want to move the information to another computer, save it to use a removable storage device such as a USB flash device. One of the most recent device technology to be introduced in NVMe with SSDs and cloud storage also bring recently developed storage devices. Also, older technology like hard drive disk and tape drives are always developing new techniques to allow for the device to store more data.